The Dandle PAL is a flexible, customizable positioning tool with 3 parts: a horseshoe-shaped base, a smaller bag at the top, and a twill tab. The PAL is filled with plastic microdiscs for a silky feel. The Dandle PAL can be used alone, in multiples, or in conjunction with other positioning aids. If more stability and volume are needed, shift the weight into the base and give the legs a quarter turn. If you need more height or stability at the top of the horseshoe, add the smaller bag on top and stabilize it by pulling the strap under or over the base. Place 1 PAL around the lower extremities, bracing the soles of the feet firmly against the center and tucking up against the legs, hips, and abdomen. Use your hands to shift the weight of the PAL as needed to achieve optimal support. Note that the smaller bag has been stacked over the horseshoe and the legs have been turned slightly to increase durability and strength. A second PAL can be placed around the infant's upper half, stabilizing the head and neck while supporting flexion toward the midline. By stacking the smaller bag on top of the base, the PAL may also provide support for respiratory equipment such as CPAP or ventilator tubing. Tuck the PAL around the shoulders, laying it on top of the lower PAL. This ensures the baby's shoulders are rounded forward and encourages the hands toward the midline. Once the PALs are securely in place, the baby rests in a flexed, contained position with extremities supported toward the midline. In a Dandle Roux 2, Roux Light, or Wrap Stretch, a PAL can facilitate flexion and containment of the lower extremities while allowing visibility of the abdomen, pelvis, and legs. The PAL complements Dandelion's other positioning aids by providing the right support at the right times during hospitalization. The photos here are just some examples of all the ways the Dandle PAL can provide positioning support. As always, positioning methods should be individualized to meet each patient's unique needs.